Let's talk about the fastest urban revolution the world has ever seen. Get this, by 2030, 1 billion people in China are going to live in cities.
So China kicked off the biggest urbanization project in the history of, well, ever.
I mean, just look at this timeline. The speed of this population shift is just unreal. Cities like Shanghai basically doubled in size. The growth rate was absolutely staggering.
And we're not just talking about expanding old cities. They built hundreds of brand new ones.
It was a mix of mind-blowing engineering, a huge workforce, and some revolutionary tech. Take the Shanghai Tower. It's not just a skyscraper, it's a whole vertical city. And who built it all? An army of 37 million workers. Just try to imagine that number.
The government poured in a massive stimulus package, over $500 billion to supercharge it all.
But, all this incredible change, it came with a really steep price tag.
The environmental cost was just huge. The country's resources were pushed to the absolute brink.
They literally called it the air apocalypse. It became a public health disaster. So China declared a war on pollution. The new challenge? Build differently, build green. You can really see the pivot here, from the old way to a totally new, sustainable vision. Tianjin's EcoCity is a massive experiment in sustainable living from the ground up. Okay, so this new vision went beyond just the cities themselves. They had to connect them. And the result? The biggest and fastest high-speed rail network on the planet, by a lot. And it's not all about the new stuff. They're finding really clever ways to preserve the old, too. This new infrastructure isn't just about moving things. It's about reconnecting people. Because that family connection, it's still a huge part of the culture. This rail makes it possible. On big holidays, 9 million people travel a day. That's how crucial the system is. A trip that took hours now takes minutes. It really does bring the whole country closer. So what's the takeaway? It's a story of crazy ambition, a huge crisis, and now reinvention. China's urban experiment is still going, and the world is definitely watching.